In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TurboTax for W-2. Have your W-2 handy and be signed into your TurboTax account so you can follow along in real time. We'll go step by step, keeping everything clear and simple. Start by opening the federal section in TurboTax. This takes you to the federal part of your return where income items are entered. Next, hover over the income area to reveal the income categories. From there, select Wages and Salaries, which is where your W-2 information belongs. On the W-2 screen, choose Add Another W-2. Even if this is your first one, that's the button you'll use to start a new W-2 entry. When the prompt appears, click. Continue to begin. TurboTax gives you two options. You can upload your W-2 or type it in manually. For this walkthrough, choose Type It In Myself so you can see exactly where each item goes. Click Type It In Myself to proceed. First, enter the employer identification number, often called the EIN, exactly as it appears on your W-2. It's a 9-digit number. Match it digit for digit. Then enter the employer name just as shown in box C on your form. Spelling, punctuation, and spacing should match your W-2 to avoid any mismatches. Next, choose the address type if prompted, and then enter the employer's address, city, state, and zip code precisely as listed. When those details look good, click. Continue. Now you'll enter income and taxes withheld. Start with your wages from box 1 and your federal income tax withheld from box 2. Add your Social Security wages and tax withheld from boxes 3 and 4, and your Medicare wages and tax from boxes 5 and 6. Enter amounts exactly as printed, including cents. Take a second to double check each field. Small typos here can change your refund or balance due. If your W-2 includes less common items, enter those next. That may include box 12 codes and amounts, such as retirement plan contributions or other employer-reported benefits, and any box 14 descriptions your employer provided. Only enter what you see. If a box is blank on your W-2, leave it blank in TurboTax. Finally, complete the remaining fields on the W-2 page, such as state information. That typically includes your employer's state ID number, state wages, and state income tax withheld, along with any local wages and tax if your form shows them. Make sure state amounts match your W-2, and note that state wages can differ from federal wages depending on your state's rules. That's it. You've entered your W-2 in TurboTax. Review your entries for accuracy and you're ready to move on.